The radish, that small vegetable with vibrant color and crunchy texture, has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. Today, we want to pay tribute to it by telling you a bit about its history, its health benefits, its uses in cooking, and how our chef, Sonny Montero, takes it to another level at Cantina 33, your corner for Venezuelan and international food here in Madrid. Get ready to discover why the radish is much more than just a garnish on your salad. Let's start with its fascinating history. The radish is native to Asia, and there are records of its cultivation from ancient times. The ancient Egyptians already consumed it, and it was so valued in classical Greece and Rome that it was even offered as a tribute to the deities. Imagine for a moment those civilizations savoring something so simple and, at the same time, so powerful as the radish. Its presence on the table evolved as trade and international travel expanded, becoming a common ingredient in many kitchens around the world. In every corner, the radish has been appreciated for its fresh and spicy flavor, as well as for its ability to refresh and enliven both simple and sophisticated dishes alike. Its popularity is not a matter of chance. Part of the radish's appeal is due to the countless health benefits it provides. It is a low-calorie vegetable, making it a perfect fit for weight control diets. But its true treasure lies in its richness in vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, essential for the immune system, as well as B vitamins, which contribute to the proper functioning of metabolism. Additionally, the radish contains antioxidant compounds that help protect cells from damage caused by daily oxidative stress. And if all that were not enough, its high fiber content aids digestion and promotes intestinal health. Your next lunch will never be the same when you think about how much you can gain by including radishes. Radish is also an ally for those seeking functional foods. Its enzymes support liver function and can act as natural detoxifiers for the body. Thanks to its diuretic effect, it helps eliminate excess fluids, contributing to overall well-being. That is why those looking for a balanced diet often include radish in their daily meals, whether in green smoothies, colorful salads, or as a complement to other fresh dishes. Entering the world of gastronomy, the radish is a true chameleon. Its spicy and refreshing flavor makes it indispensable in salads, providing a unique contrast of texture and taste. Have you ever tried a citrus and avocado salad with very thinly sliced radish? It's an explosion of freshness in every bite. But it doesn't end there. Radish can be pickled to add a vibrant touch to tacos, burgers, or Asian dishes. Many even enjoy it on its own, with a bit of salt and lemon as a healthy snack. At Cantina 33, the radish becomes the star thanks to the personal touch of our chef Sonny Montero. He has found the perfect balance between Venezuelan tradition and international flavors, creating unusual and irresistible combinations. Imagine a salad of heirloom tomatoes, white cheese, and radish cut into julienne strips, dressed with a brown sugar and mustard vinaigrette. Or at a salad that combines ripe mango, avocado, and fresh greens, where the radish appears to enhance and surprise the palate with every bite. Sonny Montero's cuisine is innovation with respect for tradition. Every time he incorporates radish into his creations, he experiments and plays with textures, colors, and flavors. In this way, he manages to highlight the unique personality of this vegetable, adding a refreshing twist to the classics and making each dish a fleeting work of art, worthy of being shared among friends and family. Now, allow us to extend a special invitation to you. If you are in Madrid or planning to visit soon, Cantina 33 awaits you with open arms. Our establishment is located at Calle de Campomanes 5, right in the heart of the city. Here, Venezuelan cuisine blends with international creativity to offer you a unique experience. Enjoy our salads, made with fresh, top-quality ingredients, including, of course, radish, that small giant of the kitchen that enhances both flavor and health. At Cantina 33, the atmosphere is always filled with joy and a desire to share. Our team strives to offer you warm service, and our chef will surprise you with dishes that blend the best of each culinary culture. Come and try our fresh and healthy creations, ideal for any occasion, from a quick lunch to a special dinner with friends or family. Each visit is an opportunity to discover something new and delicious. For all these reasons, we want to invite you again. Come to Cantina 33, discover for yourself the incredible versatility of the radish, and be amazed by the talent of Sonny Montero. Here we celebrate life through food, friendship, and the flavors that unite us no matter where we come from. If you have enjoyed this journey through the history, benefits, and culinary uses of the radish, remember to support us with a like. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming content, and share it with those who also love good food. At Cantina 33, we continue working every day to bring you the best flavors of Venezuela and the world, and we would love for you to be part of our family. We say goodbye for today, but we will be here to share many more stories, recipes, and culinary experiences together. Follow us on our social media to stay updated on all our news, promotions, and surprises. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.